Ever wondered how the most successful landscaping businesses keep their operations running like a well-oiled machine, even when juggling dozens of jobs, hundreds of clients, and a constantly shifting schedule? It's not magic, and it's definitely not just good luck. In today's competitive landscape, thriving isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And for a growing number of top-tier landscaping companies, working smarter means leveraging the power of an all-in-one software solution. Think about it for a moment. As a landscaper, your days are incredibly dynamic. One minute you're quoting a massive new irrigation system, the next you're managing a crew across 3 different properties. Then you're trying to track equipment maintenance, all while ensuring your invoices are accurate and your customer service is top-notch. The sheer volume of information, the constant need for communication, and the pressure to deliver exceptional results can be overwhelming. Manual processes, spreadsheets, and scattered notes quickly become bottlenecks, leading to lost time, missed opportunities, and ultimately, a less profitable business. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about growth. It's about being able to take on more jobs without feeling like you're drowning. It's about providing a consistent, high-quality experience that turns first-time clients into lifelong customers. It's about empowering your team with the tools they need to succeed, whether they're in the office or out in the field. So, how are these leading landscaping businesses achieving this level of operational excellence? What's their secret weapon for streamlining everything from initial client contact to final payment? The answer, for many, lies in ServiceTitan. Now, before you think, oh, another software pitch, let me explain why ServiceTitan is different and, more importantly, why it's becoming indispensable for serious landscaping professionals. ServiceTitan isn't just a scheduling tool or a CRM. It's a comprehensive, cloud-based platform designed specifically for the trades, and that includes the unique demands of the landscaping industry. It's built to manage every facet of a landscaping business, from the moment a potential client makes an inquiry to the ongoing maintenance of their pristine outdoor space. Let's break down exactly how landscapers are leveraging ServiceTitan to transform their businesses. First, let's talk about customer management and communication. In landscaping, building relationships is key. ServiceTitan provides a robust CRM that centralizes all customer information. Imagine having instant access to a client's entire service history, their preferred services, their property details, and even notes about their pet or favorite coffee, all before you even pick up the phone. This level of personalized service isn't just impressive. It builds loyalty. Furthermore, ServiceTitan facilitates seamless communication. From automated appointment reminders and job status updates to personalized marketing campaigns, clients feel informed and valued, reducing inbound calls asking for updates and freeing up your office staff. Next up, scheduling and dispatching. This is often the biggest headache for landscaping businesses. ServiceTitan's intuitive scheduling board allows you to see your entire team's availability at a glance. You can drag and drop jobs, assign technicians based on skill set and location, and instantly see optimized routes. This means less drive time, more jobs completed, and happier crews. If a job runs long or an emergency pops up, dispatchers can easily reassign tasks and notify clients, minimizing disruptions. The real-time GPS tracking of vehicles means you always know where your crews are and when they'll arrive at the next job, providing unparalleled transparency and efficiency. Then there's job management in the field. This is where ServiceTitan truly shines for the mobile landscaping workforce. Technicians in the field can access all job details from their mobile devices. Diagrams, photos, previous service notes, pricing information, and even integrated forms for checklists and safety protocols. They can build estimates on-site with preloaded price books, present multiple options to clients, and get immediate digital approvals. This professional, transparent approach not only closes more sales, but also eliminates the need for messy paper invoices and reduces errors. Photos taken on-site can be instantly uploaded and attached to the job record, providing visual proof of work completed and aiding in future planning. Crucially, ServiceTitan empowers landscapers with financial management and reporting. Forget about juggling multiple spreadsheets for invoicing, payments, and payroll. ServiceTitan integrates all of these functions. Invoices can be generated automatically from completed jobs, payments can be processed securely in the field or online, and all financial data flows seamlessly into comprehensive reports. This means real-time insights into your profitability, technician performance, service line revenue, and more. Imagine being able to see exactly which services are your most profitable or which marketing campaigns are generating the highest ROI. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed business decisions, optimize your pricing, and strategically invest in growth. And let's not forget about equipment and inventory management. Landscaping relies heavily on specialized equipment, and keeping track of it, its location, maintenance schedules, and depreciation can be a nightmare. ServiceTitan allows you to track your assets, schedule preventive maintenance, and manage your inventory of materials, ensuring you always have what you need when you need it. This reduces downtime, extends the life of your valuable equipment, and minimizes waste. Finally, ServiceTitan fosters a culture of accountability and training. By standardizing workflows and providing comprehensive digital tools, it ensures consistency across your entire team. New hires can be brought up to speed faster, and performance can be tracked and evaluated more accurately. This leads to a more professional, efficient, and ultimately more profitable operation. In essence, ServiceTitan acts as the central nervous system for a landscaping business. It connects the office to the field, the sales team to the service team, and the operational data to the financial insights. It replaces fragmented systems with a unified platform, empowering landscapers to scale their operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and significantly boost their bottom line. It's not just about managing tasks. It's about optimizing every single touchpoint and process within your business, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating beautiful outdoor spaces. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.